Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno no see a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, veteran DJ Lieutenant Stitchy has been reportedly hospitalized in Kingston after suffering a debilitating stroke on Tuesday. Dave Rodney, his former manager, told the Jamaica Observer that the entertainer's family confirmed his hospitalization. Rodney, however, could not confirm the extent of his illness. My wisdom warriors, it has also come to my attention that there is a GoFundMe for Lieutenant Stitchy. So my wisdom warriors, may I go put the GoFundMe link in my comment section. I just want to wish Lieutenant Stitchy a speedy recovery, and may God give him strength at this time, and may God give his family strength at this time. You know how it going on. Our Jamaican people them same way, and I'm calling on all the Jamaican artists them, all the dancehall artists them, want to give a helping hands. Each one help one. An unidentified woman was killed on Duke Street in Falmouth, Trelawney on Tuesday morning. Explosions were heard about 1:15 and the police alerted. The woman was found face down in a pool of blood. No motive has been established for the attack. My wisdom warriors, me just make you know what is going on. You understand? Because them little things I not leave out, Sometimes I leave it out. Yeah, but now me I go try to squeeze it in now and then. You understand me? Because and only I trick the people them same way so crime are reduced when we know that is not the case. When we know that is not the case. But anyway, I just want to say rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family. Hear this. Pernell Charles come out, my wisdom warriors. That a Pernell Charles Jr. father. Mr. Charles. Let's call him Mr. Charles. So Mr. Charles come out and he is urging Prime Minister to consider filling vacant seats by year end as Marsha Smith quits. Lord Jesus. So, my wisdom warriors, I don't understand Mr. Mane, I don't understand Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles, listen to me, brother. There is more people going to resign. When the Prime Minister come out and say yesterday, say more people are going to retire and more people are going to resign. So when Andrew Wallace come out, my wisdom warriors, I talk about revamp where I don't know. And the people them are run. The people them are run, my wisdom warriors, because they're in a deep shit. So everybody are run. Everybody are run. Listen, Jamaica Labour Party, I want criminal party, Only thing a joke thing. I want criminal party, my wisdom warriors. So when Mr. Charles come out and I say, fill vacant. How am I going to fill it vacant? He not going to fill it vacant yet. He can't fill it yet. He have to go wait. Him have to go wait, my wisdom warriors. Because guess what? There's more people going to leave the camp. More people is leaving, but it look like a plan. Them a plan it, Hey, my wisdom warriors, when we come out and we talk about the 8 thief, the Labour right, them come out and attack PNP about how PNP a tell lie. When the PNP they not tell no lie. Me tell you, say anybody who see come out here and attack bitter against the PNP. Just because either them used to be an activist or you see them used to be a part of the PNP and they are no more. So they must carry vengeance. When you hear me, my wisdom warriors, they must carry vengeance against the PNP. This is why yesterday them come out and talk so bitter about the PNP. Anytime you see some of them come out and I talk about Mark Golding, especially they have a hatred for Mark Golding. Them have a hatred, and the only thing Mark Golding do for the country is good. The only thing Mark Golding do for the country is good, my wisdom warriors. You can't imagine somebody were born here. Somebody were born in a Jamaica. His grandfather is a black Jamaican man. Him father do so much for the Jamaican people. And me know say he must feel some type of way if he know say how they give them all to the Jamaican people. And the same Jamaican people them turn around and cuss him. Like me I tell you say, are the fullest set of labor right them me ever see. The fullest, and enough of them in my wisdom warriors, enough of them sick, enough of them same family have disability, and enough of them same family and same one have to go up a Surgeon Golden Rehabilitation Center for help. Enough of them you see there. I can't understand these people. I can't understand these people out here being racist. You know, say Andrew Wallen set them for Mark Golden. Because he don't have nothing upon Mark Golden. You know, me hear every time me hear the Labour right them come out also and I talk about Finsack. Uno thinks that if Andrew Holness did have something for Mark Golden, uno thinks that Andrew Holness would release a long time? Labour right. Uno fi have some sense. Do critical thinking. A long time when I talk about Finsack, from 2020, Nigel Clark said I'm going to release a report. How comes he can't release the report? We have to look into these things. Now at 2024, and from 2020, 2021, them said them are going to release the Finsack report. And that them say, remember me show it over here, Nigel Clark said I'm going to release it. Ah, no, them can't. Because when them do the report, then realize say Mark Golden, them in the clear. Me I tell you no, so every day on get up labor right, uno na no sense. No for uno get up, uno na no sense. Uno talk about Finsack. If Andrew Walness have something for Mark Golden, he show that long time. But he not have nothing for Mark Golden. Even Mark Golden said they not have nothing for me. And in Mark Golden know why my talk say, because they not have nothing for Mark Golden. The only people them would depend on the Finsack report is them same self labor right. That's why they can't show it. That's why they can't show it, my wisdom warriors. Uno can't stay there. Uno no know all and uno. Uno can't stay there. So when me say Perennial Charles come out and attack, Perennial Charles, I beg you, go sit down. Go sit down, Papa, because there is more people going to resign. There's more people we are going to retire. You understand? We still wait for Babs the Grange. Me have a feeling Babs the Grange are going to retire. Delroy Chuck need to go. Delroy Chuck definitely. You know, you see, a lot of people are cuss me all the time and I talk about, oh, me pick up for PNP and this and that. You know what me always say? Me say, look how Andrew Holness. Look how Andrew Holness I deal with the Jamaican people. And yeah, tell me, say, the ministers them in a cabinet, no see? So me always come out and I say, these people don't have the balls to step up to the plate. None of them. Before they come together and overthrow Andrew Holness for the Jamaican people, not even that they can do. That's why I say, they have to go. The whole of them are the same thing. They got to go, my wisdom warriors. They got to go. See, who run out the other day? Who run out the other day? PSOJ came out. PSOJ came out and said there is too much crime and too much corruption. And the PSOJ, me can't believe. So the PSOJ come out and said that. Yeah. The PSOJ said there's too much crime going on and there's too much corruption and they want it to stop. Why only things that the PSOJ come out and I say these things, my wisdom warriors? We have to read between the lines. We have to read between the lines, you know. We have to stay up on top of things, you know. And we have to stay ahead of them. You get me? Me here say allegedly, let me just say allegedly. Me here say a pure bangarang a guan. Me here say a be a bangarang a guan in the Jamaica Labour Party cabinet. Yeah, that me hear. Me here say the one from St. James, I go resign. The one from Hanover, I go resign. Hey, you no can't stay there. Me here say Al Crawford. When I say Crawford, I'm not talking about Damien Crawford. Me I talk about the Jamaica Labour Party Crawford. All that they want the two, I go resign. That me I hear, my wisdom warriors. So when you see Andrew Holness mouthpiece come out and I talk about how he revamp this and that, like say Andrew Holness I do. I run the whole of them I run. Yeah, you know how much money missing? You don't know how much trillions of dollars missing? You know who even know these things? This is why so many people is under investigation. And when I see the labor right, them coming out and telling lies, my wisdom warriors, like me if I wonder if them sick. These people, these labor right, can't love Jamaican people. They don't even love themselves. Because they're out here telling lies for a man that don't care. You talk about 100 bus. Yeah, una hype about buses. And you only buy the buses because of the needs. Una have, listen, Andrew Holness. Remember, say Andrew Holness say Jamaica have to be fully digitalized. Who remember? And Andrew Holness has start from the bus. It is a strategy, Jamaican people. Taxi operators, me tell you already, una get up from now. Una get up from now, brother, and start protest. Una wait too long. Una so much buses Andrew Holness bring in already. Lord Jesus. So when I talk about Andrew Holness a build economy, una can't stay there. Una can't stay there about Andrew Holness a build up economy. Which economy Andrew Holness a build up? Look on the hospital them in Jamaica. We need so much ambulance. I wish, you see the amount of bus, 100 bus, we need 100 ambulance right now. We don't talk about that. Me not hear nobody talk about that. We need ambulance. We need equipment. We health come before every single thing. We health come before them buses there. Only thing say if you don't want to go to hospital, the bus are going to stop and we're going to go to hospital. Only think that? Like, come on. You notice the things that Andrew Holness are investing in. And not even him invest. I stakeholders them are investors. A private company have these buses. It's not Andrew Holness. A money making thing. Come on, Jamaica. You not see what is going on. You not read between the lines. And me day here I try to open up on eyes. I try to open up on eyes and I encourage you. Don't be fooled by the 100 buses. It's a way for to hook to the needs and get the needs. Anyway, me have a small clip, my wisdom warriors. Yes, me have a small clip with Andre. Me want to take him in and tell me what I think. Hear this.
First of all, Jamaica, Matthew Samuda is operating a constituency office different from Marsha Smith. So there is 2 constituency office operating in Northeast St. Ann for the Jamaica Labour Party. Am I telling a lie or am I telling truth? All labor rights in Northeast St. Ann can say 2 offices operating, one for Matthew Samuda and one for Marsha Smith. There is another thing that I have discovered. Up to the 31st, when them have what is called the heritage, the thing where them have as the big heritage event, upper civil, yes. Upper civil. Why was Marsha not present? And why Matthew Samuda was at that event? And Marsha, who is a sitting member, so, Matthew Samuda, the big businessman in the constituency, Matthew Samuda. The Isas, I gather that the Isas very upset that the Prime Minister and such took them off the scent.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what I go on from what I go on? Wanna hear when Mr. Stevens has said, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear the bangarang? Wanna hear the slackness, what is going on in the Jamaican Labour Party? And are them people that we really want to lead with? These people, you see, the reason why they not sign the code of conduct. These are the type of reasons, why they can't sign the code of conduct. And these are the type of reason why they can't put the impeachment in the Constitution. My wisdom warriors, what is really going on in the Jamaica Labour Party? What is going on in the Jamaica Labour Party? And your wellness, why you don't do us a favor and step down? Do Jamaican people a favor and step down. Yeah. Because when me hear you come out and talk about the buses them, have to reduce cost of living. Me not understand you. How? Me still a try to understand how. Me still a try to understand how. You need to come out and tell the people them the real truth. Why you getting all these buses? And you explain, I'm here to talk about digital, but the same very Jamaican people, them, some of them not understand. They still not get it. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about all this that is happening. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. So one of the news media put out and stated that there is an increase in speculation in political circles about Prime Minister Andrew Holness' next move following the resignation of yet another of the governing Jamaica Labour Party, JLP sitting members of Parliament MPs. But you know, when I agree with this news media, it's saying that there's an increase in speculation. Remember, say Andrew Holness come out and I said, him come out and him said there is more people going to resign from him cabinet and some of them are going to retire too. And him said, you understand? After Marsha Smith's sudden resignation sparks fresh speculation about Prime Minister next move as Nigel Clark clears his desk. Now, you clear your desk? You clear your desk? You run. My wisdom warrior, it is alleged that him one of the 8. So run Nigel Clark. My wisdom warriors, me feel all of this bangarang where happen. It look like it's a sham with all the Nigel Clark. It look like it's a big sham. My wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness have something up him sleeve, you know. Andrew Holness have up him sleeve. This is why I believe right now, Mark Golding for start call for election. Mark Golding, I believe if you start call for election right now, something not right. My wisdom warriors, something in a something. Wanna hear me? Something in a something. But wanna tell me what you think? Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember to become a patron of my channel, all right? Just click on join to become a member. Also, you can reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. One love.